This is problem number
two.
two on our sample final exam. It says, given this function y is square root of x plus 7, find the tangent line to this graph at the point x equals 2. If we want to draw a approximate graph, we're not claiming this exactly right, but let's say the graph is this black line. Let's say the 2, whatever the y value is right there, this dot. The tangent line will be this red line. We want the equation of the red line. And the way you find the equation of a line is often use the equation y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, where m is the slope of the line, and x1 comma y1 is the point the line goes to. So x1, y1 is 2 comma, we don't know what y1 is. x1 is 2, y1 is question mark. That's a question mark. So we have to find the question mark. Then we have to find m the slope. Then finally we use this equation. If I change the format a little bit by adding y1 to both sides and using my distributive law, this is the equation of the line. Still we have to find y1 and m to use this line. You can find either one first. Right now I'm finding y1 first. I put in 2 for x in this equation. So I say y1 is 2 plus 7, square root of that, which is square root of 9, which is 3. So my point of tangency, x1 comma y1 equals 2 comma 3. Going to this equation, we now know that x1 is 2, y1 is 3, but we still need to know what m is, so we have to find m. How do we find m? M is the slope of the tangent line, is also the derivative. So m is the slope of the tangent line, which equals y prime equals x plus 7 to the 1/2. I'm sorry, I have to write maybe derivative of that. I have to find the derivative of that. Using our chain rule, the derivative of this is going to be equal to 1/2 times x plus 7 to the negative 1/2, using this as a quantity itself, times the derivative of this thing by itself, which is just plain 1. So it equals 1/2 times 1 over the square root of x plus 7. And m is to be computed. I should really not have an m up here. I just say m is computed when x equals 2, because we want the tangent at this point x is 2. So again, I put in 2 there, so it's 1/2, 1 over square root of 2 plus 7. This is 9, square root of 9 is 3, so it's 1/2 times 1/3, so m is 1/6. Now we go back over here and put in.
All right, just to show you real quick, when you did this here, that was just this, and you rewrote it.
I'm sorry, I forgot to say, I should have said as follows.
Right.
Y equals square root of x plus 7.
It's understood, though.
Equals x plus 7 to the 1/2, using the exponent notation rather than notation.
Which we should all know.
And yes, we should know that, but I should have mentioned it also.
That's okay.
So now going back to this equation.
So then, but we went from there, that's how you took the derivative here, and we used the chain rule where you drop the exponent, subtract by 1, and then you take the derivative on the inside. So that's how that all went by, if you wanted to follow
along. And now we have y equals 1/6 times x minus 6 times x1, which is 2, plus y1, which is 7.
Right, and then you just
equals 1/6x. This is minus 3, and plus 7 is 4. The equation is y is 1/6x plus 4.
Okay, because here we found m is equal to 1/6, and then we just went back and plugged it all into this original part here.
Yes.
Right, so that's where that's
and
getting.
I plug in the 1/6 for m. I plug
that's
in
how you
2
find
for
y.
x1.
Right.
I plug 7 for
and then we have to go
y1,
back.
and we have the equation of the tangent line. That's this problem.